Welcome to this new tutorial on how to create Shopify-style checkout in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. I will show you how to create a Shopify-style checkout page using the Shopify-style checkout module from the ShopBuilder plugin. Select some products first in your shopping cart. Now, we are not actually going to customize this page here. In fact, we are going to create with the ShopBuilder plugin. Go to the dashboard of it, Settings, then Module. Find Shopify Checkout to enable this button. Then you will get a various settings options to create and customize. Initially, it will look like this, with your picked products and contact. Now back to the settings. Provide a custom logo for your checkout to display. You can upload as per your needs. Save it and let's visit the page. Here is the company logo. Let's customize the cart now. Back to the settings again. Pick any look for the cart icon. Select none to hide the cart icon from the header. Let's see our created changes. If you want the icon to display in your checkout's header, you can further select and save. Let's back to the settings again to customize email field section title. You can choose a suitable universe title for it. Let's move for further settings. You can also link your product title if you want. Look, this is our selected product. Now, enable this button to make the product clickable and linking to those products. Visit the page to view the changes. You will directly reach that specific product while clicking the link. Not only this, you can also write a note as additional data to display. Save your changes and go to view it. This is the additional data. Now, let's move to multi-step settings. Enable this button to simplify the purchasing process. This is called the multi-step process of purchasing. Click each one by one and see how it looks. Alright, let's go to the step settings like show step menu, billing step title, etc. Here these are. For the shipping step title, you can set it yourself like free shipping. For the shipping method step title, choose one. Let's save and see the changes. In addition, if you do not want a multi-step purchasing process, you can simply turn it off just by disable multi-step button. In the general style settings, you can change and customize the color according to header cart icon style. Here, this pink color turns into orange after changing. Not only this, you can also resize the font size into smaller or larger. There are further various options to customize. Save and let's visit the page to view. Now, button style for login button style. You can here customize the height, width, background color and many more. Next, place order button style. Similar options you will get to customize the place order button. Save your changes. Here it is. And lastly, apply coupon button style. There are also almost similar customization options for apply coupon button. This is how you can create Shopify style checkout in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.